When I was sitting in front of my PC, watching my boring videos, and drinking my favorite hot drink next to my 10 years old keyboard, I looked into my table and I found this thing. I didn't like that. So I decided to make a mug holder. A floating mug holder. So, all we're gonna need is some wood, a rope, a fishing wire, it doesn't matter, but make sure it's not flexible. And finally, some micro screws. Wait, let me show you. Oh, look at the size of this one. Ooh, I'm sure now you can see it. That's a perfect screw. Oh, look at the size of it. And that's it. So let's do it. Let's start by finding where the center point and draw a line. After that, bring this piece and decide where you want to put it. In my case, I will put it right here, just like that. Draw your marks. Once you did that, bring the other one and tape them together. Now bring this piece again. Measure 1 centimeter on each side and draw a mark. Once you did this, bring the other piece and tape them together. And now it is time to dig some holes. First, we have to dig a hole here, and here we have to dig an extra 4 more holes. Now repeat all this again. I did it and it doesn't look good at all. It looks so bad. This one is too thick. I didn't like it. It should look like this. But it's too thick from the sides. That's bad. I have to fix it. I just destroyed it. I tried to cut it in half. This one survived, but the other side is damaged, as you can see. Now I'm not gonna choose this one. I'm gonna choose the smaller one. I guess it will be cool. Yeah. See you after fixing it. Choose the desired height and then do whatever you can to free this height. And this is what I did. Now connect between them with the strings that you chose already. It's time for the final step. It should work after all that. Nice. I have to do it again. Whew. Finally. Yeah. Yeah. Look, it start to balance. Okay, how am I supposed to close it right now? How am I supposed to tie this one? Okay, that's impossible. Nope, that's not gonna happen. I guess I'm gonna use glue or something. It's still extremely hard. I'm trying my best to seal this hole. Okay, I'm not sure there is enough space for me to add this screw inside it. You know what? I'm gonna do the old school way. Because it's very hard to close it. I'm just gonna twist it inside it, and then it is done. It will be fixed. I'm sure about that. Yeah, just like that. Just follow my steps. One twist. Another twist. Yup, a little bit of hot glue there. And manipulate with my hand. I know it hurts, but it has to. No pain, no gain, my friend. I guess it is done. Now we have to cut any extra thread and then it's done. Whew. Yep, it can hold some weight. Now it is time to transform it to a cup holder. A floating cup holder. Yeah. Let's keep doing this. Ooh. Yeah, that's nice. In case if you don't know how it's float, all the weight is just lifted by this. And all these threads are just for support. So now you have the option. Rather doing all this to get the perfect cup holder, or just try to be smart and just cut a piece of cardboard just like this and put your lovely mug on it. And that's it. It's actually the same, but this one is more fun. And once you finished, you can just throw it. And that's it.